I hope you have enjoyed your Sunday. So I was just reading these books out and I was thinking on a theory on how to actually improvise or optimize your will each day in the scientific manner. So basically I would be talking about two case studies, one by Carl Newport, who is the writer of Deep Work, and the next book is by Daniel Kahneman, Thinking Fast and Slow. He's a great psychologist and a Nobel Prize winner. So first let's understand what is will and how much will do you actually have in a single day. So in a case study and results found, we have total of 4.5 hours of total will in a single day. What does that mean? So that means as soon as you wake up, your will is at its highest. That's why you tend to take good decisions in morning and you tend to stick to it. And you do all your good work in the morning. As the day goes down, your will is wasted and you try to go in behaviors which you do not want or you do not like. It could be a bad habit or something like that. That doesn't matter. So basically the point is, as soon as you wake up, every small decision you are occupying your mind on, even like if it could be very small, like should I take a bath right now or right after 1 hour? That's a very common thing. So in every small thing you are occupying your mind, basically you are using your will of those 4.5 hours. But what if you saved your will, you go with the flow with the small decisions and you use your 4.5 hours specifically for big decisions or your big work? That could significantly affect your work, your decisions, and you would be surprised how important that is. So that is your will, you need to save it. So that was by Carl Newport. Then I was thinking about, like, in this book, this person has done a research which has helped scientists who were working on it for decades. So if you, I don't know if you can see this or not, right? I don't think you could see, but I'll tell you. So they have described two systems in our mind. So basically, what are these two systems? One is our system one, one is system two. Basically, this is the fictional characters decided by this book to make us understand how they think. System one is a very, it understands stories. It take decisions faster. It do not comprehend arithmetic solutions properly. The second part, which is a real thinking part, this works on actual calculations, statistics. So basically, when generally, like it's a fact, when we take decisions, we take it from our system one. And so in maximum decisions, we are take upon what we perceive, what we think it is, and what we know, and what story and what it's the presentation. But you need to make sure, like if you combine both these case studies, you would get to know. So whenever next time you are taking a decision, make sure you are taking small decisions from your part one. But when it comes from the main decisions or the main work, make sure stay for a while, take just 5 minutes. So basically, any decision you take, the first few minutes are very important. That is the turning point of any decision of what you are going to do. So whenever you are taking a decision, make sure you are thinking from your part two and not the part one, which is only the perception. Take decisions based on statistics or the real knowledge behind it. So that was my Sunday read. I was thinking about this topic. Hope this helped you. Have a great week ahead.